2022 Audi 7 Rs Sportback 0 to 60 release date, rumor, price. There are some cars that turn up, end up popular, and be related only until the time they are offer. And then there are people that abandon a enduring perception very well whenever they go. This masterwork from Audi remaining 3 years back but has at last designed a triumphant return. What you have to get from 2022 Audi R7 Sportback. This portion is all about seams, ain't it? All people who purchases a new car within this sector undoubtedly prefers their car to search the aspect and switch heads when powered out and about. And to appeal to that idea, the 2022 Audi R7 Sportback will not let you down using its distinct and hostelry style. Featuring a distinct sportback design, the R7 becomes an even more ready appearance than most of its competitors. When the former designs checked pretty equivalent to the S7, the 2022 Audi R7 start looking is one that meets its stature and segmentation effectively. In other words, the year 2022 believes with the 2022 Audi R7 Sportback any little bit. Even though it's based upon the A7 platform, the R7 makes use of a larger body in addition to blacked out design elements all in excess of the exterior of the particular car, escalating the beastly attractiveness of the car. Open the gateways to be able to the 2022 Audi R7. In addition to, you are welcomed by the Audi's all-virtual cockpit. The particular quality of components used within are undoubted of the many superior quality, and also the interior is perfectly spelled out. Through an all-black interior conclude, you get contrasting red piping stitches which is reminiscent of the R's elements. These small innovations give the R7 a lot more sporty edge, even though delivering the comfort stage of a 6-digit costed luxury sedan. Apart from these, the controls is covered with Alcantara, and whilst the headliner is completed in black small cloth, even the item's handle has Alcantara wrapping. The dashboard occurs packaged with premium natural leather furniture which senses excellent to take a look at, and similarly calming to feel. Specification. Driving any 2022 Audi R7 Sportback is a 4.0 L2 turbo V8 which performs together through a 48V hybrid system to generate an overall of 591 HP and also 590 lb-ft of torque. Regarding the novice, that sort of power is counterpart to 4 Honda Civics. Placing all that power on all the rims is an 8-pace automatic which is as sleek to work by as moving a popular blade via butter. The driving dynamics are just where the 2022 Audi R7 Sportback is as excellent as it will get. The all-tire directing and Quattro AWD system, all the journey to have got a good sense of vitality and an unrivaled passion for the street. Add more to this mixture the adaptive revocation system, and you could possibly get the ideal use for all periods that could delight you like a superfast sportster in a longer and cozy body. How fuel useful will the new 2022 Audi R7 Sportback be? The 2022 Audi R7 Sportback is competent of engaging in 14 mpg in the town, 24 mpg on the road, and 19 mpg mixed. Include to that a good quality measured fuel water tank, and you get a good quality range to be adequate for the other facets you get. Though the most recent R7 may be labeled as a hybrid, its power system performs together with the common engine. How much the 2022 Audi R7 Sportback price? To hold factors on position, the 2022 Audi R7 Sportback is accessible only as a standalone trim which is listed at $114,995 comprehensive of delivery demand. With this trim, Audi has chucked all the luxuries, sportiness, and the technical capabilities that you is ever going to require, as prolonged as the R7 is still your reliable steed.